These animals are wild. You won't believe what they can do. These animals are straight up broken by default. Number 3 will mess with your brain. This shrimp punches so fast, it literally boils the water around it. Instant soup. Snails can sleep for 3 years. You wake up and boom, it's a whole new president. Dolphins lick toxic frogs to get high. No joke, aquatic junkies. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop working when they swim. Same, starfish can regrow their whole body from just 1 arm. That's not healing, that's duplication. And you thought you were special because you multitask. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, or if you already knew one of these, congrats, you're 1% animal, 99% Wikipedia. Like and subscribe for more.